Hey everybody, it's Walter here with Coastal Caterers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a propane burner. So the first thing that we need to do to get the propane burner working is to hook it up to the propane tank. So you want to take your LCC adapter to your grill or whatever it might be, and go ahead and connect it to the shutoff valve here. So now we're going to open the hand wheel on the shutoff valve. The LCC adapter to the propane burner is seated on the shutoff valve. Let's check for gas pressure. There it is. Let's give that just a second to clear out. Please remember to give this video a like. If it helps you out, we really would appreciate that. And now the next thing to do is just to go ahead and light the burner, because we know we got the gas flowing. So always remember, flame, then gas. Flame, then gas. There we have it. That's how you use a propane burner. Get it lit, get ready to make shrimp boil, steam something, deep fry something, you're ready to go. Once again, this is Walter with Coastal Caterers. Thank you for watching, and as always, have a great day.